Rate of reaction. Rate means speed. If we take reactant A and it is going to convert product B, it will take some time interval. Reactant A, when we heat, it is going to change product B at some interval. So we can write like this. So this is initial concentration 5 mole at the reactant, but product will be 0 at the 0 minute. After 5 minutes interval, here reactant going to be decrease 1 mole decrease, and the product B 1 mole increase. At the 10 minutes interval, the reactant again 1 mole increase. Product 1 mole decrease. At the 15 minutes interval, reactant concentration going to be 1 mole decrease, and the product B 1 mole increase. At the 20 minutes interval, concentration again 1 mole B decrease, but here product 1 mole increase. At the 25 minutes time interval, here reactant, whole reactant going to be disappear. So here 0 mole. So all reactant going to be converted as a product. So we get 5 mole increasing at the product side. So rate of reaction can be defined in 2 ways. First, average rate of reaction, that is called R is rate of reaction. So reactant always will be minus because it is going to be a decrease. So we can give minus symbol A by del T time changes equal product. So product always will be positive because concentration always will be increased. Okay, del T. So rate law we can write R equal to minus del or D. So we can write like this. D, A, so both are correct. At the T. Sorry, T. So generally we can write like this. If the rate of reaction decrease, its concentration also will be decrease. Is directionally proportional to the rate of reaction increase, concentration also increase. The rate of reaction decrease, concentration also will be decrease. So rate A power m and B power n. So are directly proportional to A, m and B, n. Now we are going to remove the proportionality and introduce the new constant. So we can write rate equal to K. This is the constant or kappa. A power m, B power n. Here K is rate constant, n is reaction order respect to A and B. M and n order of reaction respect to A and product B.